Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fariska Delano Hidayah. Here I will explain our material for this 10 meeting, namely steganography. The first one is definition of steganography. The definition of steganography is the science, technique or art of hiding secret message, or secret writing, covert writing, so that the existence of message is not detected by others except the sender and receipt of the message. Steganography comes from the Greek language, namely steganos, hidden or hiding, and graphy is writing, so that it completely means the hiding writing. The purpose of steganography is to keep secret or hide the existence of a hidden message or an information. In practice, most messages are hidden by making them change to other digital data whose contents will not attract the attention of potential attackers. For example, an image that looks harmless. This change depends on the key, same on cryptography, and the message to hide. The person receiving the image can then infer the covert information by replacing the correct key into the algorithm used. How steganography works? To insert the data you want to hide requires two elements. The first element is container media such as image, sounds, videos, and so on that look unsuspecting to store the secret message. The second element is the message you want to hide, namely the container media in the form of an image called cover object and the image that has been inserted by the message is called stego object. In general, there are two processes in steganography, namely the embedding process to insert message into the cover object and the decoding process for the extraction of message from stego object. Both of these processes may require a secret key called stego key, so that only eligible parties can insert and extract message. Steganography form. Some forms of formats that are often used are as follows. First, text. According to history, hiding message in text is one of the frequently used methods. In general, the method used is to hide the secret message in each entirely letter in each word in the text message that is used as a container medium. Steganography by using this text is no longer very often used because the text fields have a very small amount of data redundation. 2. Image. The use of image media is the most popular for steganography today. This is because image has considerable redundancy. Besides that, because this media is most often exchanged on the internet. 3. Sound and video. To hide information in a sound or video file, the technique is almost the same as the one used to hide message and image. One different technique for steganographic audio is masking. Although the use of steganography with sound and video media is quite as potential as in image, the larger memory capacity makes sound and video media less popular because of their impracticality. 4. Protocol. Protocol steganography refers to technique used for inserting information along with message and network control protocols used in the transmission of a network. In the OSCI network layer model, there is a covert channels where steganography can be used. For example, where messages can be hidden are in the header part of the TCP or IP packet in some places that are optional or never used. The use of steganography, like other security device, steganography can be used for a variety of reasons, some of which are for good reasons, but can also be for bad reasons for legitimate purpose. Security such as imagery can be used with matter making with reasons for copyright protection. Digital watermark, also known as fingerprinting, which is devoted to copyright matters, is very similar to steganography because it uses a method of concealment in the archive, which appears as the original part of the archive and is not easily detected by most people. Steganography can also be used as text for online imagery. Finally, steganography can also be used to store the confidentiality of valuable information, to protect the data from possible sabotage, theft, or from unauthorized parties. Unfortunately, steganography can also be used for illegal reasons. For example, if someone has stolen data, they can hide the stolen archive into another archive and send it out without arousing anyone's suspicion because it looks like a normal email or archive. In addition, someone with a hobby of storing pornography, or worse, storing it on a hard disk, they can hide their bad hobby through steganography. Likewise, with the problem of terrorism, steganography can be used by terrorists to disguise their communication from outside parties. Criteria and aspects in steganography: the concealment of confidential data into data media change the quality of the media. The criteria must be considered in hiding data include 1. Fidelity. The quality of the container image does not change much. After the addition of confidential data, the steganographic image still looks good. Observers do not know that in the image there is confidential data. 2. Robustness. The hidden data must be resistant to manipulation carried out on the container image, such as contrast change, sharpening, placement. 3. Recovery. The hidden data must be able to be recovered or recovery because the purpose of steganography is data hiding, so at any time the secret data in the container image must be retrieved for further use. Steganography has 3 aspects that can determine whether or not a steganography is successful or not in doing its work. Ermadi et al. 2004, namely 1. Capacity. Capacity refers to the amount of information that can be hidden in the medium cover. Security is the observer's inability to detect hidden message, and endurance is the number of modifications to the stego medium that can survive before the enemy damages the hidden secret message. 2. Security. The security of the classical steganographic system embodies the confidentiality of its encoding system. Information theory allows us to be more specific about what is meant by a completely safe system. 3. Robustness. Resistance. Resistance refers to cross-sectional image data such as contrast change, sharpening, rotation, image magnification, cutting, and so on. If the image is carried out an image processing operation, then the hidden data is not damaged. Types of steganography techniques. Based on the steganography technique used, there are 7 types of steganography technique used, namely as follows: Arias 2009. 1. Injection is a technique of embedding secret message directly into a media. One of the problems of this technique is that the size of the injected media becomes larger than its normal size, so that it is easy to detect. This technique is often also called embedding. 2. Substitution. Normal data is replaced with confidential data. Usually the result of this technique does not really change the size of the original data, but depends on the media file and data to be hidden. Substitution techniques can reduce the quality of the medium being boarded. 3. Domain transformation. This technique is very effective. Basically, domain transformation hides data in transform space. 4. Spread spectrum is a transmitter technique using pseudo-noise code, which is independent of information data as a waveform modulator to spread signal energy in a bandwidth communication line that is greater than the signal of the information communication path. By the receiver, the signal is collected by using a synchronized fuse noise code replica. 5. Statistical method. This technique is also called a 1-bit steganographic scheme. The scheme instills 1 bit of information in the right media and changes the statistics even if it is only 1 bit. Statistical changes are indicated by indication 1, and if there is no change, there is an indication of 0. This system works based on the recipient's ability to distinguish between modified and unmodified information. 6. Distortion. This method creates changes to objects that are bounded by confidential data. 7. Cover generation. This method is more unique than other methods because the cover object is chosen to hide the message. Steganography technique. There are 6 techniques that can be used to perform steganography. These techniques are 1. Substitution system technique. Steganography using a substitution system is to replace redundant unit bits or bytes from data covers with bits from secret message. One of the steganographic methods that use the technique is LCB, or least significant bit. However, there are shortcomings with the method of concealment of message by substitution, namely the weakness of image towards image processing. If the image is cropped or processed by another image, then the algorithm cannot distinguish which is the least significant byte that is part of the message and which is the bit of the data cover. 2. Technique transform domain. Basically, the transform domain technique hides messages in transform space from a signal. Every day on the internet, people send pictures to each other and are most often used in JPEG format. JPEG is very interesting because it will be compressed when closed. For this to happen, they must discard excess data, removing excess bytes that prevent them from performing compression. During compression, JPEG will make the approximation of itself smaller. The change and approximation is to change the space, and the change can be used to hide the information. 3. Spread spectrum technique. The spread spectrum technique is divided into 2, namely A. Direct sequence. In this method of the stream of information is transmitted into several small parts. Each section is allocated to the channel frequency of the spectrum. B. Frequency hopping. This technique divides the bandwidth spectrum to many possibly broadcast frequencies. In general, frequency hopping equipment use less power and is cheaper, but in better performance direct sequence systems. 4. Technique statistical method. The statistical method uses what is known as the 1-bit steganography scheme. The schemes insert 1 bit of information only inside a digital container and then make even a few statistical changes. 5. Distortion technique. This steganographic method makes change in the data cover to hide information. Secret messages are restored when the algorithm compares change between distorted covers and real ones. 6. Cover generation technique. The technique is the most unique technique compared to the other 6 types of techniques. Usually, a data cover is used to insert a message in it, but that is not what this technique does. This cover generation method actually creates a data cover with the main purpose of hiding message. Spam mimic is one example of a very good cover generation method. Steganography method. Here are some steganography methods above. 1. Less significant bit or LSCB. The method used to hide message on digital media is different. For example, the message image file can be hidden by inserting it one allow bit or the rightmost bit or LCB in the pixel data that composes the file. In a 24 byte map file, each pixel or dot in the image consists of a three-color arrangement of red, green, and blue, or RGB, each arranged by 8-bit numbers or bytes from 0 to 255, or with binary format 00000000 to 11111111. Thus, in every pixel of the 24-bit file, we can insert 3 bits of data. 2. Algorithms and transformation. The compression algorithm is a steganographic method by hiding data in mathematical function. The two functions are discrete quotient transformation or DCT and wavelet transformation. The function of DCT and wavelet is to transform data from the one place domain to another place domain. The function of DCT is to transform data from a spatial place, spatial domain, to a frequency place or frequency domain. 3. Redundant pattern encoding. Redundant pattern encoding is driving small message on most image. The advantage of this method is that it can survive cropping. The disadvantage is that it cannot draw larger message. 4. Spread spectrum method. Spread spectrum steganography is scattered as encrypted message via image, or unlike in LCB, to read a message, the recipient needs algorithms that are crypto key and stego key. This method is also still easy to attack, namely the destruction of compression and image or image processes. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.